Mr. Boner was found in the fetal position on July 10 last year by cops, naked and moaning after a walker heard noises coming from behind a wall at the beauty spot. Timothy Roberts QC, prosecuting against Spottiswood and Burn at Newcastle Crown Court, said the walker called out but got no response and so continued on his way. Jurors were told Mr. Boner worked for Spottiswood at his garage and helped him tend to cannabis farms, but the pair are alleged to have fallen out. Mr. Roberts told jurors after she had been charged with murder and the case was proceeding, she revealed some more of what she knew. She described Spottiswood and looking evil and said the row was over drugs and a rival dealer, the court heard. He said in panic he removed Mr. Boner's clothing and the upper part of his body fell into the hole. He left him where he lay, believing him to be dead. Mr. Roberts added, the prosecution say they were in it together. Spottiswood, 34 from Jarrow and Burn, 29, from South Shields, deny murder. Burn has admitted assisting an offender. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun online news team? Email us at tips@thesun.He.